What is up, trappers? Check it out. All kinds of colors in the trapway today. Look at that monster. We are headed up to, I believe the address is 1204. There's a notification, Trap My Ride is live. We are headed up to 1204 North Napanee Street in Elkhart, Indiana, guys. That's where we are going. Night Therapy is hosting a meet and a rally up there, so big thumbs up to those guys. A big shout out, guys. A reminder, listen, when you come out, you know, keep it cool, keep it friendly. Check out their page while you're there. You know, they have some meet etiquette posted, just good standards to go by. I just wanted to let everybody know, come out and enjoy it, have a good time with us, keep everything clean and good. Those guys are hosting a great event for us. Let's not mess it up, so that way we can keep doing it, guys. I see we have some viewers here with us. I'm trying to see who we got. We got Braxton Burkholder. What is up, man? There's Rob and Nate and Andrew and Keelan. What is up, guys? Thanks for coming out and checking us out, man. We are headed up there to Elkhart, guys. We missed this afternoon. I was behind schedule, guys. I'm always behind, always. But I was already behind. Jonathan came by. You can see that the Journey's parked here. Jonathan's not going with us tonight. He's got a bit of an issue. Here in a second, I want to flip you around and show you why you can't come out tonight. And everybody who come out to the barns, if you came out to see us and we missed you, I truly am sorry. We got there so late. You know, we were trying to get Jonathan so he could come out and have a good time. We don't like leaving anybody behind, but tonight, guys, we were just forced to. So he's not going to be rolling in the Journey tonight. It's unfortunate, but I want to show you why. So we were behind a little bit. That's part of the reason. A lot of it's because I'm behind too, and we just had some things to do, so we missed those. Let's see what the comments. Braxton Burkholder says, what's up? Andrew says, what's up? Bring in the living room, Rob. Heck yeah. He bringing that Escalade, guys. I'm telling you, that truck is awesome, and it is massive. All those screens. Rob, if you remember, bring some movies so you can light up all the screens. I want to get it on tonight, guys. If you guys see me out, you know, it's cool. We'll get you on. If you want to show your car off, tell us about your car, and you want to be on, hey, say, hey, man, check this out, and then just show me, man. We'll put the camera on you. But anyway, so we can get out of here. I want to get this video shared, posted, shared, all that stuff. But I want to show you why Jonathan can't join us tonight, guys. It's unfortunate. Let's see. Keelan says, tell him the O'Reilly's tomorrow, 9:30. Okay, well, he can't really move this thing out of my driveway till he does, but I will tell him. But all right, guys, let's flip this camera. Right here, guys. He's got it sitting here. He's having issues. He hit a raccoon or something a week or two ago, and he's been struggling with this side of his car. Let's see if we can get a view in here. You see this? His caliper piston is just pressed out. Look at this. And it's bad, so he needs this whole assembly. And he's going to get that core in there. And there's the brake pads, guys. He just got it bunched up, a little bit put back together so he can sit on the ground and it's safe. But that's what Jonathan's dealing with, guys. So let's give Jonathan a shout out. Show him some love, man. The journey's down. We all know how it is, especially on a night like tonight where everybody's going out to have a good time. He's stuck, man. I feel for him. Jonathan, we love you, man. We miss you. Wish you could be out with us tonight. Got the guys over here, the Stank Banger, he's out. Look at this monster, man. We could probably park the mini truck under this thing and not even touch. Look at this. And the front of it's sitting up even, so there you go. But he's gonna come out and join us tonight, guys, so make sure check us out. But that's what it is. We got the Blazer here. I want to get this up, posted, shared around. So guys, we got to get on the way. We'll see you very soon. Elkhart, Indiana, 1204 North Napanee Street. Nate Widener, I think we talked to you. I think you're going to be up there. Todd, I don't know if you're going to be up there. But if you're there, we'll see you. If not, you're square. Keep on trapping.